Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 3, shloka number 22. Na me partasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptamavaptavyam varta eva cha karmani. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, O son of Pritha, there is no duty prescribed for me within all the three worlds, nor is there anything to gain or attain by me, yet I engage myself in action. Here, Shri Krishna talking about himself says that even though he has nothing to gain in the three worlds, yet he keeps on working tirelessly. The reason why we all work is because we need something, we need money for our livelihood. But Lord Shri Krishna is in all the worlds, and all the worlds are in him. Out of compassion for humanity, he incarnates himself again and again to maintain dharma for the progress and well-being of the world. He, the infinite, formless Brahman, takes birth, comes into the world, mingles with everyone, teaches them, elevates them, and leads them on to freedom or liberation and bliss. On Arjuna's request, he became a charioteer. When Yudhishthira, Arjuna's brother, performed Rajasuya Yajna, Shri Krishna even washed the feet of those who came to participate in the Yajna. His attitude was one of equanimity while performing any action, and he found great joy in the work and was not expecting any reward. We are all tiny fragments of God, Shri Krishna, who is an ocean of bliss, and hence we all seek bliss. Since we have not attained perfect bliss, we feel dissatisfied and incomplete. But Supreme Lord Shri Krishna is the controller of all, and he is the greatest of all the devas. Everyone is under his control. He has nothing to achieve for himself, nor has he any bodily form like that of an ordinary living entity. No one is equal or superior to him. All Vedas describe his great power, his knowledge, his strength, his action, etc., which are inherent in him. If such a Supreme Lord works, there can be only one motive for it. It will be for the benefit of others, not for personal gains. He acts according to the scriptural injunctions to set an example to others. He plays his part perfectly, without the slightest attachment, with the attitude of a perfect karma yogi. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.